Explained, Rate Limiting Strategies in Claude APIs. Today, we'll explore how to implement effective rate limiting strategies in Claude APIs, equipping you with the skills to prevent abuse and maintain optimal performance.
Did you know that without proper rate limiting, your API could be overwhelmed by requests, leading to performance degradation? Rate limiting is a critical component of API management that ensures fair usage, prevents abuse, and protects your API from being overloaded. In this video, we'll explore how you can implement effective rate limiting strategies in Claude APIs to maintain optimal performance and security.
Rate limiting is a technique used to control the amount of incoming and outgoing traffic to or from a network. It's a vital strategy that prevents APIs from being overwhelmed by excessive requests, ensuring that all users have fair access to the services. By implementing rate limiting, you protect your API from potential denial of service attacks and maintain the overall health and performance of your API ecosystem. There are several algorithms commonly used for rate limiting, each with its unique approach. The token bucket algorithm allows a certain number of requests in a given time frame, while the leaky bucket controls request flow by processing a fixed number of requests per unit time. The fixed window algorithm is straightforward but can lead to bursts of traffic at window boundaries. In contrast, the sliding window algorithm offers more flexibility by smoothing out traffic spikes. Choosing the right algorithm depends on your specific API requirements and traffic patterns. Implementing rate limiting in Claude APIs involves several steps. First, you'll need to define the rate limit parameters, such as the maximum number of requests allowed per minute or hour. Next, configure these parameters within your API management console. After implementation, it's crucial to test the setup to ensure it operates as expected without adversely impacting performance. Finally, integrate the rate limiting strategy seamlessly with existing systems to maintain consistency and reliability. Monitoring your rate limit usage is essential to ensure that your API operates efficiently and within its defined limits. Utilize tools and dashboards to track request rates, analyze traffic patterns, and identify potential issues before they affect users. By understanding how your API is being used, you can make informed decisions about adjusting limits and improving performance. Regular monitoring not only helps in maintaining optimal API operation but also enhances user satisfaction by preventing unexpected service disruptions. When a user exceeds the rate limit, handling errors gracefully is crucial to maintaining a positive user experience. Common errors include HTTP 429 status codes indicating too many requests. Implement clear and informative error messages that guide users on how to manage their request rates. Offer solutions such as retry after headers, which inform users when they can send their next request. By providing actionable guidance, you help users recover from errors and continue using your API effectively.
Dynamic rate limits offer the flexibility to adjust request limits based on real-time demand and user behavior. This approach allows you to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that high-value users or critical services receive priority access. By implementing user-specific rate limiting, you can cater to the needs of different user segments without compromising overall performance. Balancing load dynamically not only optimizes API usage but also enhances user satisfaction by providing a seamless experience even during peak times. Balancing performance with user experience is a delicate act that involves maintaining API speed while ensuring fair access for all users. By optimizing resource allocation and managing traffic efficiently, you can prevent service degradation during high demand. Implementing effective rate limiting strategies helps maintain a smooth user experience, encouraging engagement and satisfaction. Striking the right balance ensures that your API remains a reliable and valuable resource for users.
Clear documentation of rate limit policies is essential for informing users about how they can interact with your API. Describe the rate limits in detail, including the maximum number of requests allowed and any penalties for exceeding these limits. Provide guidelines on optimal usage and strategies for managing requests. Transparent documentation not only facilitates user compliance but also builds trust by ensuring users understand the operational boundaries of your API.
Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of rate limiting strategies in Claude APIs, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure your API remains robust, secure, and accessible to all users. We encourage you to start integrating these techniques today and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next.